Okay, I am going to show you how to register for a virtual career fair and then sign up for available sessions to meet with employers. You can access the virtual career fair page to register through a link that your institution sent to you, or if you go to your Career Center page, um, it should show up as upcoming career fairs. Here's the career fair that I want to register for. I'm going to go ahead and register. For my email address, I am going to put my .edu email address, and then for my employer ID, I'm going to put a sample one here. And then I'm going to fill out the questionnaire. I'm looking for internships that are entry level. And then I'm just going to quickly fill out the questionnaire. I have filled out my Handshake profile, so I'm going to put yes. But it is very important to fill out your Handshake profile so employers can see what kinds of jobs you're looking for, what your experience and skills are, in case they want to reach out to you after the fair, to encourage you to apply for an opportunity at their company. And then it is also helpful to upload your resume to Handshake in the My Documents section before the fair, so that if employers want to download a resume after you met with them at the fair, they can, and reach out to you about opportunities. And what are my main goals for attending the career fair? I am searching for a summer internship. Okay, I'm going to hit finish. And it successfully registered me. Okay, so I'm registered, but there's still more steps for me to do. So since this is a virtual fair, I actually need to sign up for available sessions for the fair. So the difference between a virtual fair and a in-person fair, where maybe you would go up to a booth, wait in line, and introduce yourself to an employer, a virtual fair in Handshake works where employers will set a schedule of group sessions, one-on-one sessions, and then you can go ahead and sign up for those available sessions with the employer. So I'm gonna look for available sessions that I want to sign up for, and then go ahead and sign up for those sessions. So I see this employer has some one-on-one sessions available here, and then I can choose which ones I want to sign up for, hit confirm, and then learn a little bit more about what jobs they might be hiring for, see if they align with my interests, make sure I'm available for the sessions, and then go ahead and hit confirm and sign up for them. Make sure I can meet the qualifications, and then go ahead and sign up for the sessions with the companies that I'm interested in meeting with and can attend. Once you sign up for your sessions, then you can show up to the career, or you would log on to Handshake. And when you show up virtually to the career fair, you can find the fair, and then there will be a notice at the top that says join session when it's time to join your session. And there'll either be a join session button if the session chooses to use our virtual video tool called Daily, or if they choose to use a external video link like Zoom, that information will be in the session details. All right, thank you for tuning in.